Today we'll explore whether rust or iron oxide is magnetic. To understand this, we first need to look at how rust forms and its relationship with iron. Pure iron is strongly magnetic due to its atomic structure. The electrons in iron atoms align in a way that creates magnetic domains. These domains can be thought of as tiny magnets that can align when exposed to a magnetic field. When iron is exposed to oxygen and water, it undergoes a chemical reaction called oxidation. This forms iron oxide, or rust with the chemical formula Fe2O3. During this process, the iron's crystal structure changes, which affects its magnetic properties. There are actually different types of rust, each with different magnetic properties. Magnetite, Fe3O4, is strongly magnetic, while hematite, Fe2O3, is weakly magnetic. The most common form of rust is hematite, which explains why rust typically shows only weak magnetic properties. This has practical implications. While a magnet can still be attracted to rusty iron, the attraction will be weaker than to pure iron. This property is actually useful in recycling facilities, where magnetic separators can still sort rusty metal from other materials. So to answer our original question, yes, rust is magnetic, but typically much less magnetic than pure iron. This is due to its changed crystal structure and chemical composition.